Good evening once more. So this is our trading video review, and it's trendprofiteer.com. So we all need help, and this is what is exactly what this is. What I quite like about this, it's a video and it says what it does, and there's no big sales page, and that's it. You've got ClickBank Trusted Secure, which means 60-day refund, not happy, money you get your money back. So it's unlike the secrets to predictive trading, and we can't pinpoint when to buy, when to sell with this. This is what they're saying, and gain a competitive edge. I know a wee bit about copy here, like add copy, and it's talking all the sort of markets, crypto, Forex, gold, indices, stock market. So you're getting a real advantage, and they use the colours to get your attention. So let's watch this video and we'll come back in a few minutes.
You're about to learn how to identify tremendous trade opportunities easily, quickly, and safely. And you'll get to download our trading template that anyone can use to accurately predict which way the market will move. With our system, you'll be able to take advantage of the rapidly growing crypto market and benefit from the huge price moves that have the power to generate massive personal wealth. And you'll be able to do it with consistent predictability and step-by-step simplicity. You'll even get an opportunity to own our fully automated flagship product so you can quickly transform into a super trader. Tap the Get Free Access button to get started today.
So that's it, quite like that. It's a minute long and that's it. Obviously it's free access, but there will be an upsell, a paid version. And you put your email in and you get the training. There always is, otherwise they've been business. So quite like it, short to the point. Want no more, you go into the training. So take a look, see what it's all about. There is a support button. There is, yep, you can contact ClickBank or them to see more on them information, but you can go ahead and put your email in as well. But if you're wanting a business that's not trading and something really special, then take a look at inside the description as well, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.